Interloper has the power we need. Kill him, and you shall have everything I promised.
No noose this time. I'll remove your head myself!
We'll see about that.
First one's high!
I cannot.
For the fun! You dare mock me! Oriana! Open the cage! Release the beast! Give me what you promised!
I think not. To do the job, I'll find someone who can. Goodbye.
You manipulative whore! How dare you abandon me after all I've given you!
Your pulse quickens. The eternal and pure, with bloodlust empowered. Our Exile endured, but soon all were devoured. In unending war, death waited at the door. Then hour by hour, men fell as summer sour. Desolation. I will take out your heart! Freezing gale. I will take out your heart!
Allow me to clear your mind, if only for a moment.
The madness. It consumed my being. Oriana used it against me.
Where has she taken the beast?
I found messages from the desert.
From the Vastiri?
Yes. Find her. Kill her. But first,